here back at you with a new video, and today we're going to do a really quick Q&A because I got some business to take care of a little bit later on, so I'm gonna try and breeze through all 10 of these questions. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Hold up, let's aim for 15 likes on this video. Yeah, we're gonna aim for 15 likes. And before this video even start, like, subscribe, all that. Follow all my social medias and all that, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, y'all, so I'm not gonna say like the people's names because like I don't know if y'all wanna be like, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just get right into it. So the first question is, when is your birthday? My birthday is May 30th, 2004. So yeah, if y'all wanna give me stuff for my birthday next year, you can go ahead. I might open a PO box, I'm not sure, but yeah. Second question is, how old are you and what grade am I in? I'm 14 and I'm a freshman in high school. I just had started high school, obviously, and so far high school is pretty much like work because it's just like middle school, but just like more people and stuff, like a bigger school. So it's really not that bad. People be gassing it up and stuff, but it's really not that bad. My favorite subject in school, my favorite subject used to be math, but like I kind of like slowed down on math because like I wasn't really that good at it. But like now I'm starting to get better at math. But like right now, my favorite subject, back in middle school, my favorite subject was digital literacy, which was like computers and stuff. But now my favorite class has to be at least like gym or something, because like all my classes are kind of like boring, kind of, a little bit. The next question is, how is my YouTube life going? My YouTube life is going real nice. Like I feel like we're growing like dramatically fast. Like I said in my last video, we had just hit 400 subscribers. I'm really stoked on that, bro. I'm trying to hit 500 in December. And I'm gonna just keep on grinding. I'm not gonna stop. Nothing's gonna stop me. No hate, no none of that. I'm gonna just keep on trying to get to the top. And yeah. What do I want my first car to be? So, when I get out of high school, like I want my first car to be like a Camaro or something like that. I don't know. But like my first car for like when I turn 16, I do not know what I want my first car to be. It's probably something simple. I don't want no like extra car for when I'm only 16, but yeah, I don't know, I gotta think about that soon because that will be coming up soon, but not really soon. I got 2 more years left, but yeah. My favorite game at the moment, that's the next question. My favorite game at the moment has to be like, Fortnite kind of died, like not as much people play it like as they used to, but like I still like the game. But 2K is also like one of my favorite games. I gotta get 2K19. I don't got that yet, but I'm finna get that eventually. I'm finna get it soon. So yeah. What do I think that's holding me back? I think school. Well, not really, because like I always have time to film after school. But like most of the time, I could be like filming like 3 videos the entire day and then upload them like each day throughout the rest of the week. So kind of like school, but like once I get out of school, 4 years from now, I would most definitely be more consistent. But school and like after school activities, like, yeah, so that's really the main things. The last question is, why did I start YouTube? The reason why I started YouTube because I want to make people laugh. I want to make people feel good about themselves. I want to make people smile. I want to, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this all for you guys. So I'm doing it all for the people. I didn't even know that you can start making money on YouTube till like 3-4 years ago, so that's also cool too. But I like making people laugh, so that's like my job. And that's all I have for today. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm a funny kind of guy. Yeah. All my social media links will be down in the description box below. You already know. And that's pretty much all I have to say. So until my next video, I'll see y'all in my next one. Peace.